On Thursday, the Minister of Public Health Engineering Department, RENIKTON TONGKHAR, had conducted a surprise inspection on water supply projects under the Jal Jeevan mission at 4 places that include Shiliang MYNTANG, THANGRAIN, MAITDIENG-JONGKYNSHUR and BARATO in West Jaintia Hills. The inspection was conducted in the presence of the MLA of MOOKAIAW, NUJORKI SUNGOH, headmen of the 4 villages, officials of the PHE department, and police officials. Altogether, over 1,000 households have benefited from the project, which has been sanctioned at an estimated cost of approximately Rs 22 crores. PHE Minister RENIKTON TONGKHAR, during inspection of the Jal Jeevan mission projects, informed that around 55% of the work has been completed and lauded the effort of the contractors for their dedication to work assigned to them. Tongkhar also appreciated the fact that all materials, particularly pipes, used in the project are of good quality. He added that the PHE department intends to complete projects within the estimated time frame, but urged upon those involved to not compromise with the quality of work entrusted to them.
Shillong nila yo banpek ki arti ki Shillong ya ka THANGRAIN water supply scheme badi kene ka BARATO ya ka bakidang long on ko yung kadang yaj ke jing tray mata te yisukuan bani iba jing tray kila yaj bah bat ni kerman ro bakin dap ka por ka babeng te skutanat bah kene ke jingban ka bangawan jurip ni yo batuthu ya ke importance ya ke jing don kam jo ki scheme ban pendap Markidon kijing hakaba nakaliang jong ka JJM ki engineers ki dapat kre ya ka estimate kat kum ki guidelines jong ka JJM bat isutho ba kindon ki ying katukane ki ban nomdak te bat nakaliang department ki dale la ki jong kota ban sna ka estimate kerpang nakamta kita ying ki padap ha ka jing kre manakane nakadaw jong kidon ki technical problem ya ka ba amla on biang ha ka ba ki empat kentup ha kata ka I miss te dene kata daw kidan kiyeng ya ke ba kim pat include hakan ke skim dan dene keleng ke sarkar ngin sim kiai kani keleng ke department ngin sim kia bat ngikwa hi ba ka wei pui kalong yeng kini ben yo ko umdi ka THANGRAIN ke de khandai crore ar punyolak so po haja ketu ka THANGRAIN ke bangil awan pej mane ka khandai crore ar punyolak so po haja bat ke ne ke BARATO waktu tu sedih BARATO pede kedai ar crore ar pholak khandai phondo haja kedai ka retrofitting scheme hakaba ki banle nakaleng ka department hangne BARATO kuma 90% ni lala bandem thambo THANGRAIN tikirang susdang tikirang dai tangkum 10% ni tabang UI ka progress of work kalong ka ba i tenap ha dan UI ka TP kala jandep ketu ka treatment plant ki bun ka jandep ki ti ba kanam slam